people. So how? I'm reviewing the situation. I must quickly look up everyone I know. Title people with a station who can help me make a really precious show. I'll own a suit at Claridge's and run a fleet of carriages and wait for all the duchesses with friendliness as much as is befitting of my new estate. Good morrow to you, magistrate. Really, I think ka na. I think I better think it out again.